In today's video, we'll be talking about how to control your PC from your Android mobile phone using remote desktop. Let's jump right in. The Chrome Remote Desktop for Windows actually works whether it's Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Professional. So we jump into Google Play, download and install Chrome Remote Desktop on your Android device, then you tap open. Once you open the remote desktop, you'll see that you have to create a connection between your Android device and your PC to enable the connection to take place. For us to be able to do that, we have to move over to the PC and then carry out the installation of our Chrome Remote Desktop. So for us to install the Chrome Remote Desktop client, we have to visit remotedesktop.google.com/access. Once you visit this URL, it takes you to the page where you can download and install your Chrome Remote Desktop. Now, once you click on the arrow that is pointing down, it takes you to the Chrome Web Store where you can actually add the Chrome Remote Desktop client to your Chrome browser. So we click on add extension right now to add the extension to our Chrome browser. Once that is done, of course, it brings up the name of our PC. So we click next. We have to choose a pin. Since we already had it installed previously, we will still go with the same pin. But of course, in your own case, you have to create your pin. Once that is done, it's going to ask us to download and install the remote desktop software. That had already been installed, so now it has started the remote desktop client. So once the remote desktop client is online, you come back to your Android device. Remember, your Android device and your PC have to be connected to either your Wi-Fi or your mobile hotspot. So once that is done, you will see your PC appearing on the list of computers here on the home screen called My Computers. Now, you tap on your PC, it's going to request for the pin. Of course, remember the pin that you used when you were setting up your remote desktop. So we provide our pin right now and then connect. And once we connect, it takes us here to our remote desktop client. Whatever you do on your phone right now is going to be mirrored on your PC. So by doing this, you can actually have access to your Windows device on your Android device at any time. So as you can see, we have our Android Windows device mirrored on our Android device, and you can use this for whatever purpose that you need your remote desktop client for. If you have some tools, some softwares that you need to have access to on the go, and you do not need to carry your laptop all the time, you can use remote desktop to access your PC wherever it is, as long as it's connected to the internet and your mobile device is also connected to the internet. You can have access to your PC and then carry out your job smoothly. So that is that. Now, if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.